free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
So another green light, checking, no pedestrians here. Looking at my speed again, looking in the rear view mirror, checking the side mirrors as well. And traffic lights, we will be turning left, so that means we need to change lane. So I'm going to signal, mirror check, shoulder check, looks clear. Now we move over and we need to change one more lane, so I'm going to shoulder check again, and now we can change into the turning lane. So far the light is red, so I'm slowing down. We have to come to a complete stop here. Light turns green. Now we go in the intersection, and we have to position the vehicle properly, so this way the front tires will stay straight. And now there's no more pedestrian crossing, no more oncoming traffic, so we can turn into we can complete our turn. Speed limit sign on the right hand side, maximum 40 kilometers. So looking in my rear view mirror as well, checking my speed, and also maintaining distance from school bus. Okay, so let's actually turn right on this stop sign. So I'm going to do a right shoulder check, and just moving over to the right hand side a little bit. Before your right turns, you want to position your vehicle so it's closer to the right hand side, closer to the curb. Now this stop sign, it's always stop sign, so that means all the directions have a stop sign. Now it's getting a little bit busy, right? So we have to be very careful. Okay, so we come to a complete stop here. Shoulder check, looks clear, and now we can complete our right hand turn. Traffic lights, we are turning left, so left signal, shoulder check, going into the left lane. Right now the light is green, so we have to go in the intersection. So going in the intersection here, and we are waiting for the oncoming traffic to clear. Looking in my rear view mirror as well, and looking at the traffic light, oncoming traffic, pedestrians on that side. After this golden car, now we can go, and there's no pedestrian crossing, so we go into the left hand lane first, and now we can switch lanes to the right with a signal, mirror check, shoulder check, and then we cancel our signal. Next intersection we are turning right, so we're gonna signal, mirror check, shoulder check, change lane to the right hand side, cancel signal, and now we will put it back on. So same thing here, shoulder check, go in the right lane, look at the traffic light, it's green. This pedestrian doesn't want to look, it doesn't look like he he or she wants to cross, so that means we are good to go.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.